How to change date and time on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In settings, simply scroll down and click on system. In system, you'll find date and time. Click on date and time. After that, you'll find these options. Turn off use network provided time zone. And also turn off use network provided time. After you have turned that off, you'll find date. Click on date. You'll find calendar pop-up. Select the date you want to change to and press on OK at the bottom. After that, click on time and then select the time and press on OK at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to change date and time on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.